So this is the bee and butterfly garden at the Master Gardener Demonstration Garden in Kennewick. And I'll just walk past here and then walk through the middle of it. This part is a lot of flowers right now. And there's the children's garden on that side. So let's walk in. Until I have to learn some plants. And the vegetable garden's on the other side. Looks like quite a bit of pruning needs to be done in places. Oh, I know what that is. That's spiderwort. I like that. And grapes over there, I'm not sure whether they belong to the children's garden or this garden. This is pretty. The bench looks like somebody lost their lock here. Tell I'm heading for the back at this point. Look at the cool birdhouse. Let's see, this was kind of overgrown back here. Let's see if I can get in here a little bit. There used to be a path through here. Interesting. I thought maybe those were weeds, but look, it's got a yellow flower. Well, I don't see any butterflies, but there's sure a lot of bees. And that path just kind of ended. I guess that's the end of the path. And along the access road in the back. So, over in the other corner by the vegetable garden, and there's this whole bunch of mint that the bees are just loving. And then on into the veggies.